7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4.
Hello guys, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Yes, Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs here guys. Kamusta? Kamusta? So, Nina, we're going to harvest our radish. Sa wakas, at least our hard works has paid off. Yan guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman oh. Nina, it's so healthy our radish. So, yung guys, I think 2 months na rin nung tinanim natin yung radish, ano? Napakasimple lang, oh. 3 line lang beside ng ating Nina corn. Look.
Oh, ito until this corn? Yeah,
the corn. Nina, ito yung sinasabi nating intercropping. Intercropping. So, beside the corn, we planted this radish. And yan guys, so tingnan mo itong side na to, ang ganda-ganda na. So Nina,
yeah.
Let's see. Mag-start na tayo ng harvest. Go there. So, guys, ang galing pala nitong radish na to kasi pagka tinanim mo siya kahit ganito, hindi sila sabay-sabay na i-harvest. Ibig sabihin, merong pang-harvest na, yung iba naman maliliit pa kahit ganyan, no? So, tingnan natin dito. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Hindi pa talaga yan. Ito, yung ganyan. Pang-harvest na yan. Pero, Nina, let's see this side. Look, this side, Nina.
Big ones?
Ayan, no?
Yeah.
And, look. Try this one. Try to harvest this one.
This one?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, show it. Show it here, Nina. Yes, yan o. Napaka-healthy guys itong aming radish kasi it's organic. Organic ng ating fertilizer natin. Kahit pala mataba, mabato. Look, Nina. Look, Nina, Sanaya, the soil has so many rocks, but still, ang ganda pa rin ng lupa talaga dito sa England. Ayan, no? So, minsan lang natin tong bigyan ng liquid fertilizer lang nilagay natin dito. So, ang ganda ng output talagang. So, Nina, come on.
Okay.
We will harvest. No, this one, look. Nina.
Oh.
See, pwede na yan. Hold this, and then I will.
Can I harvest it?
Yeah, you can harvest this one. No. We have to check.
This
We have
one?
to check. Yeah. Yes, pwede na yan, no? So, hindi naman marami nini ang ating harvest, yung pwede lang natin i-consume. Okay?
But they're like stinging, right?
Yes, stinging. Yeah, this side. Go that side, Nina. Bring this one. Be careful ang ating corn, ha? Be careful.
Because if you step on corn, it'll be dead already.
Yes, look.
And look, there's something. There's an insect.
Look, Nini, here. Look, ha? Ang ganda, oh. Ooh. Look. Yes! Ang ganda nito.
That's actual insect.
Ito pa. Look, Nini. Oh. Yes, this is small, but it's alright. Matamis yan, matamis. Ayan guys, so yung iba wala pa.
Can I after grab it when you like give it to me when you grab it, give it to me and after that.
Which one? Yes, yan ah.
Okay.
Come on, hold it.
Hold that.
Yes, look.
It's stinging, so I'm.
Really?
Yeah.
Yan guys, nakakaano pala siya, parang may tinik-tinik yung dahon niya.
What is that?
Little bit spiky. Yeah.
Even though the fruit, even though
No, the leaves only.
Oh.
So ayan guys, oh.
Okay. That's what I'm holding.
Nina, just show. Ayan, oh.
See.
Pwede na yan. Yung iba, ito malaki. This Nina is big. Look.
Big.
Wow.
But there's an insect on it.
Where? No, this is friendly insects.
Really?
Yeah, this is not harmful. They are eating the bad ones. So ayan guys, oh. First time ko magtanim talaga ng radish. Kahit sa Philippines naman eh. Ewan ko kung may ganitong variety ng radish sa Philippines. Ang alam ko sa Philippines yung long white. Pero yung ganito, pang salad kasi ito eh. Pero pwede rin to sa sinigang. I'm going to cook sinigang na baboy. Namimiss ko kasi na mayroon nito. Ayan, oh. Ina. Look.
nothing.
Nina, we can eat as well the leaves for sinigang. Yes. So guys, ewan ko lang kung may ganito ng variety sa Philippines, pero ang daling-dali niyang mabuhay. Kinain pa siya ng slugs. Imagine kung hindi siya kinain ng slugs. Yan Nina ah. Kaya ito, yan guys oh. Nakita naman ninyo oh. Ito mas malago kaysa dito kasi nga ito kinain ng slugs. Tsaka itong side na to. So dito muna tayo Nina sa side na to. Let's see, come here, look Nina. Look. Ayan guys oh. Oh. Nina.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow, that's perfect.
Lalaki pa to eh, pang salad. Yeah. Pero sa mga grocery, sa grocery ito na yung mabibili mo, yung ganitong kalalaki. This size.
You don't feel hurt?
No.
Oh,
You try. Oh, this one. You try this one.
my
Oh,
God,
come on.
I'm scared.
This one. Yeah, come on. Yeah, show it Nina here. See? What? How? Share your experience, Nina. Show you. Are you happy to see that our hard work paid off?
Yes.
What you can say about our, our friends, our family, our viewers?
I feel so happy.
Look here.
I feel so happy about the food
Because
because we are watering the plants and we are getting food.
yes. Because if you work hard, you will earn something like this. Yeah, that is the moral lessons. Kanina, be hard working, not just sleeping and drinking. Yes. Imagine if you just lay down and waiting for something to come, this will not come. Yes, Nina, ito pa oh.
Look, I done it.
Yes, Nina. Ayan guys. Oh, ang dami na oh.
I'm doing loud. Look.
Yes. So, magmimigay tayo sa ating mga Filipino friends here and Indian friends. Pagka ano na, marami pa naman to. Siyempre, si Alan din, inform natin si Alan.
Daddy, look.
Wow, that is big.
Yeah.
Kaya lagay mo doon, dali.
I'm getting sting out.
Yeah, and ang galing ng intercropping. Nina.
It's just little sting, right?
Yes.
Oh.
Nina, look. After we harvest our radish, after 2 months, we will get corn.
Oh, yeah, I'm so excited.
Yes.
2 months? Wow.
I think, yeah, it's still 2 months. I think we have to wait for 2 months. So, wait pa dito. Maliliit pa dito eh. Ito dito malalaki oh. Nina, look. Wow, ang ganda oh. Yeah, don't just maybe it's small. So, ito oh. This is small. Ayan.
I'll go through another.
And look Nina, this one, come here.
Okay.
Ayan oh. Ang laki nito oh.
Whoa, get here.
Look.
Whoa.
Pag maliit ang dahon, I notice if the leaves is small, the vegetable is big. Yeah?
Okay, let me get it.
Look, this one as well. Shanaya, look. See? Ang dami oh, ang dami pa niyan oh. So, ayan. Ang saya-saya. So, anong masasabi nyo guys sa aming kaunting tinanim na radish? Please leave a comment. Ayan oh, marami pa dito oh. Dito tayo pupulot. And I think that's it muna Nina, yeah? I think that's it.
Yeah.
Let me count how much I harvest. Nina, come here. Come
Okay.
here. Look. 1, 2. Come on, show it here.
2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15, Nina, 15. Yeah?
16,
16, 17,
18, 19,
20.
20.
Look Nina, this is 20. And this one,
21,
22,
23,
23,
24, 25,
24, 25, 26 guys. Yan no? 26.
Look guys.
Ang mahal dito sa sa grocery here, yung konti lang yun, naka 26 na pala kami.
We harvest.
So what do you think? So success Nina. Successful. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Now we have to water the plants.
Now after this guys, we have to water all the plants.
Yeah,
because
all.
we didn't come
Even
here
though
yesterday.
these.
Yeah, even all these. Okay? So guys, please, in the Philippines, plant something. This is rainy season. Because if you plant, you can harvest. Alright?
Yeah, even though it's raining.
Yes. Okay, thank you guys for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Whee!